Hey there, beautiful people out there, it's me again. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial for you all. You guys know that I do new week, new hair every single week. I love to change my hair, I love to change the style. It's just nothing new, okay? I asked you guys on IG polls if I should do Marley twist or goddess locks, and it was a close one. It was a really close one, but I went with the winner, which was the Marley twist, and here we are today. So I already started, but for this tutorial purpose, I'm going to just do the edges because it never, it never hurts to do your edges over, especially if you want them to look fresh and new. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really simple, it's really easy, and that's why I love doing Marley twists, because I mean, you can do them in like an hour, depending on how many you put in your hair and all that. More so than goddess locks. I mean, it took me a while to do those, so I was like, oh, thank God that was the winner. So without any further ado, let's get it. The hair that I use is by Beach. It's the kinky twist hair or the Marley braided hair. I don't know. So you're more than welcome to use whatever kind of hair you want, as long as it's kinky texture or it says Marley braided hair, that's the one that you should use. I use 5 boxes, and in each box they have like little strands of hair like this. So on each twist I put around 5. I don't want it to be too small, but I don't want it to be big. So I just use 5 strands of hair. So you are more than welcome to use however many you want, whatever floats your boat. So first you want to split your hair, and I love Marley twist because you don't have to do anything fancy, like with box braids. If your braid is not like the perfect triangle or like the perfect square, it will throw the whole style off, you know what I'm saying? Like you see like the Africans or people that do box braids, and like the braid, like the square or the triangle up here looks amazing. So with Marley twist, you don't necessarily have to make it perfect. So I just part my hair like that. Call it a day. Alright, so I'm just going to take part of my hair, and if you want to oil your scalp before or after you put the twist in, totally up to you. Like I said, you're going to put it together just like that, however many you want. If you want a jumbo, then you want to add at least 8 of these small strands. If you want to do like medium, then 5 will be like your best bet. Or if you want to do them smaller, like more so of like Senegalese or whatnot, you can use 1 or 2, whatever floats your boat. And I'm going to split it into 2. All right. Now the tricky thing about, and I'm going to try to break this down and make it make as much sense as possible. Oh yeah, I don't have my eyebrows on, so my eyebrows look a little skinny today. It's just I didn't draw them on today. The thing about twisting is that you have to be careful how you twist it in, because if you twist it too much, then your twist is not going to connect at the scalp. It's going to start here, and then as you continue to twist, you're going to have all this space up here, and that just looks really weird. The 2 sides on the 2 parts, and you just hold it together, and then you see, okay, put it together, and then you start twisting. So what I like to do is I just like to like kind of twist it a little bit, but like I said, be careful doing that, because if you don't, then you're going to twist this part of your hair, and then as you continue to twist, you're going to have all this space up here, and your twist is not going to start until like midway, and then you're going to have all that extra space. It just looks really tacky. So I just like to twist like the first 2 just to make sure my hair is in there like swimwear, and then just keep going. So you see here, so right there, boom, exactly what I'm talking about. Exactly what I'm talking about. So you gotta be careful. You got to be more careful. So let me go ahead and start it over. Okay. Looks better. Alright, so then you're just going to twist and twist and twist and twist, hey, and twist until you get all the way to the bottom. Plan on wearing your twist up, then how your ends look really doesn't matter, because like in my case, I like to wear my Marley twist up, so it looks kind of funny right now like this. I mean, it looks fine, but it's not like perfect like how I want it. Let's go to the next one. Also, as you're twisting, you want to make sure that you're twisting it like the same way, just so that way it doesn't look uneven, because I know sometimes it'll look tighter up here than looser down there. So you just want to make sure that, you know, what you're doing is the same. And I did a tutorial, I think I did it 2 years ago, when I used Havana hair. So in that package, the hair already came twisted, so all I did was take it loose, twisted it into my hair, and retwisted it back the way that it came in a package, and it looked so good. Like, I actually missed that hairstyle. I might have to bring that back. But I'll leave the link here or in the description box if you guys want to see that video. And if you're interested in that kind of hair, then I highly recommend doing it that way. But in this case, this is for Marley twist's sake. So my hair is done. So you can style it how you want to. So just oil it, make sure your scalp is good, it is not dry and all that. Make sure it's nice. Put some oil sheen on there. Okay. Oh, and I'm using Luster's Pink Glosser. I told y'all I love this stuff. And I used Dew Grow's Mega Thick Growth Oil, because I gotta make sure my hair is growing. Take one of these, what are they called? Hair bows, the big hair bows, and put it in the bun. Are even in the front. Yeah. So you can put it just like this too if you want to style it like that. And just add bobby pins. Sorry, Maddie's getting a bath right now. So if you hear water in the background, that's why. And then of course you have to lay them edges down. So I've been using Maury's Edge Wax, and I love this stuff, y'all. Like, oh my god, it's kind of like Hicks a little bit, but it's cheaper. If your hair does like stick out through the twist, just try not to comb the hair too much because it'll make the ends really puffy, and when the ends are really puffy it will stick out through the twist. That's why, you know, even though the texture of the twist is kinky, it still will stick out through the twist because it's not braided in, it's twisted in. So it doesn't matter how good or tight you twist it, it will still stick out because it's been, you know, combed and all. So other than that, that is it. Really simple, really easy, that you can do it like within an hour. So hope you guys like this tutorial. If you like more tutorials like this, let me know down below, and also give me a big thumbs up and feel free to share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.